Radio Ravel 96 FM. Radio Ravel 96 FM.
Мезанин. Меѓупростор на Радио Равел. Музичка емисија. Мезанин. Деведесет и шест FM. Мезанин.
In the basement, mixing up the medicine. I'm on the pavement, thinking about the government. The man in a trench coat, bad job laid off, says he's got a bad cough, wants to get it paid off. Look out, kid, it's something you did. God knows when, but you're doing it again. You better duck down the alleyway, looking for a new friend. The man in a coonskin cap and a pig pen wants $11 bills. You only got 10. Maggie comes fleet-foot, face full of black soot, talking at the heat, put plants in the bedbook. The phone's tapped anyway. Maggie says the men say they must bust an early man. Orders from the DA. Look out, kid, don't matter what you did. Walk on your tiptoes, don't tie no bows. Better stay away from those that carry around a fire hose. Keep a clean nose, wash your plain clothes. You don't need a weatherman to know which way the wind blows. Oh, get sick, get well, hang around the inkwell, hang bell, hard to tell if anything is gonna sell. Try hard, get bought, get back, ride rail, get jail, jump bail, join the army if you fail. Look out, kid, you're gonna get hit by losers, cheaters, six-time users, hanging around the theaters. Girl by the whirlpools, looking for a new fool, don't follow leaders, or watch your parking meters. Oh, get born, keep warm, short pants, romance. Learn to dance, get dressed, get blessed. Try to be a success, please her, please him. Buy gifts, don't steal, don't live. 20 years of schooling and they put you on the day shift. Look out, kid, they keep it all hid. Better jump down a manhole, light yourself a candle. Don't wear sandals, try to avoid the scandals. Don't wanna be a bum, you better chew gum. The pump don't work cause the vandals took the handle.
Добро вечер и добре дојдовте во последното издание на меѓупросторот на Радио Равел насловен Мезанин. За оваа 2006 година започнавме со една добро позната тема насловена Subterranean Homesick Blues. Знаете од кого е, од Боб Дилан, како фина најава на она што вечерва следи во следните 2 часа се некаде таму до некоја минута по полноќ. Обичаено на крајот од годината се прават сума сумарум од сето она што беше актуелно на музички план во 2006 година. Барем е така во поголемиот дел од музичките емисии. Така беше и со Мезанин изминатите 3 години од неговото емитување, но за вечерва решив да направиме една малечка дигресија, односно една голема дигресија. Вечерва ќе се навратиме на психоделичните 60 години од минатиот век, кога меѓу другите твореше и Боб Дилан, беше гласноговорник на цела една генерација која веруваше на неговите текстови. Но сепак вечерва главниот повод е една интересна листа на гласање на музичките критичари од целиот свет, која се случи токму на крајот од оваа 2006 година, односно беше отворена од 1 декември, се гласаше се до минатата недела, значи до пред 3 дена, каде што релевантните музички критичари буквално од речиси сите земји од целиот свет на некој начин го дадоа својот глас за тоа кој е оној албум кој ги одбележи изминатите па да речеме 50 години од музичката историја. Кој испадна на првото место ќе чуеме некаде за 20 на минути, бидејќи планирам токму првото место на оваа релевантна листа да го чуеме вечерва во целост, но до тогаш продолжуваме со Боб Дилан, човекот кој, како што кажав, датира од 50-тите и 60-тите години од минатиот век и кој на некој начин направи навистина фантастични албуми зад себе. За оваа година е интересно уште еден убав повод да го издаде неговото ново албумско остварување насловено Modern Times, кое за жал досега не го слушнавме во Мезанин, но вечерва ќе исправиме таа грешка, бидејќи ќе ги чуеме неговите два официјални сингла од новиот албум насловен Modern Times, Thunder of the Mountain и Someday Baby во продолжение на Мезанин. Меѓутоа, по овие два нови официјални сингла на Боб Дилан сепак ќе се навратиме и уште на некои постери, како што беше она на почетокот Subterranean Homesick Blues. Па ева, ајде ќе ги чуеме и Highway 61 Revisited и легендарната Hurricane. Значи, продолжуваме со Боб Дилан, за потоа да продолжиме со албумот број 1 според една релевантна листа каде што се гласаше за најдобар албум изминативе 50 години музичка историја. За што станува збор, ќе чуеме после 20 на минути. Сега одиме со Боб Дилан.
Today's the day you're gonna grab my trombone and blow. Well, it's hot stuff here, and it's everywhere I go. I was thinking about Alicia Keys. Couldn't keep from crying when she was born in Hell's Kitchen. I was living down the line. I'm wondering where in the world Alicia Keys could be. I've been looking for her even clear through Tennessee. Feel like my soul is beginning to expand. Look into my heart and you will sort of understand. You brought me here, now you're trying to run me away. The writing on the wall, come read it, come see what it says. Sleep over there, that's where the music coming from. I don't need any guide, I already know the way. Remember this, I'm your servant both night and day. The pistols are popping and the power's down. I'd like to try something, but I'm so far from town. The sun keeps shining and the north wind keeps picking up speed. Don't forget about myself for a while, go out and see what others need. I've been sitting down studying the art of love. I think it'll fit me like a glove. I want some real good woman to do just what I say. Everybody got to wonder what's the matter with this cruel world today. Some sweet day I'll stand beside my king. I wouldn't betray your love or any other thing. I'm gonna raise me an army, some tough sons of bitches. I'll recruit my army from the orphanages. I've been to St. Herman's Church, said my religious vows. I sucked the milk out of 1,000 She ain't no angel and neither am I. Shame on your greed, shame on your wicked schemes. I'll say this, I don't give a damn about your dreams. Twister blowing down on me. All the ladies in Washington are scrambling to get out of town. Look like something bad gonna happen. Better roll your airplane down. Everybody going and I wanna go too. Don't wanna take a chance with somebody new. I did all I could. I did it right there and then. I've already confessed, no need to confess again. Gonna make a lot of money, gonna go up north. I'll plant and I'll harvest what the earth brings forth. The hammers on the table, the pitchforks on the shelf. For the love of God, God, take pity on yourself. 25. You're going down the road, baby, and you can't come back. Someday, baby, you ain't gonna worry for me anymore. I tried to be friendly, I tried to be kind. I will drive you from your home, just like I was driven from mine. Someday, baby, you ain't gonna worry for me anymore. Living this way ain't a natural thing to do. Why was I born to love you? Someday, baby, you ain't gonna worry for me anymore.
מזנין.
Oh, God said to Abraham, kill me a son. Abe said, man, you must be putting me on. God said, no. Abe said, what? God said, you can do what you want, Abe, but next time you see me coming, you better run. Well, Abe said, where you want this killing done? God said, on down Highway 61. Well, Georgia Sam, he had a bloody nose. Welfare department, they wouldn't give him no clothes. They asked poor Howard, where can I go? Howard said, there's only one place I know. Sam said, tell me quick, man, I got to run. Oh, Howard just pointed with his gun and said, that way down Highway 61. Well, Mac the Finger said to Louis the King, I got 40 red, white, blue shoestrings and 1,000 telephones that don't ring. Do you know where I can get rid of these things? And Louis the King said, let me think for a minute, son. Then he said, yes, I think it can be easily done. Just take everything down to Highway 61. Now the fifth daughter on the 12th night told her first father that things weren't right. My complexion, she says, is much too white. He said, come here and step into the light. He says, you're right. Let me tell the second mother this has been done. But the second mother was with the seventh son, and they were both out on Highway 61. Now the roving gambler, he was very bored, trying to create a next world war. He found a promoter who nearly fell off the floor. He said, I never engaged in this kind of thing before, but yes, I think it can be very easily done. We'll just put some bleachers out in the sun and have it on Highway 61.
Devedeset FM Mezanin.
There's no
pistol shots ring out in a barroom night. Enter Betty Valentine from the upper hall. She sees a bartender in a pool of blood, cries out, my God, they've killed them all. Here comes the story of the hurricane, the man the authorities came to blame for something that he never done. Put in a prison cell, but one time he could have been the champion of the world. Three bodies lying there, does Patty see? And another man named Bello moving around mysteriously. I didn't do what he says, and he throws up his hands. I was only robbing the register, I hope you understand. I saw him leave and he says, and he stops. One of us had better call up the cops. And so Patty calls the cops, and they arrive on the scene with their red lights flashing in a hot New Jersey night. Meanwhile, far away in another part of town, Reuben Carter and a couple of friends are driving around. Number one contender for the middleweight crown. Had no idea what kind of shit was about to go down when a cop pulled him over to the side of the road. Just like the time before and the time before that. In Patterson, that's just the way things go. If you're black, you might as well not show up on the street unless you wanna draw the heat. Alfred Bello had a partner and he had a rap for the cops. Him and other Dexter Bradley were just out prowling around. He said, I saw two men running out that looked like middleweights. Jumped into a white car without upstate plates. And Miss Patty Valentine just nodded her head. Cop said, wait a minute, boys, this one's not dead. So they took him to the infirmary. And though this man could hardly see, he told him he could identify the guilty man.
Океј, го слушаме Боб Дилан во последното 175-то издание за оваа година, вкупно во оваа четврта сезона. И како што кажав на почетокот, вечерва нема да направиме сума сумарум на изминатата 2006, тоа ќе го направиме по новогодишните празници и тоа во две посебни емисии. Во првата таму некаде на 3 јануари ќе видиме што е набаран според Мезанин што беше музички интересно во оваа 2006 година, а таму некаде на 10 јануари ќе се навратиме на домашната музичка сцена и ќе направиме едно видување што оваа година се уште нашите музичари го скрпија како музика и текст, да видиме дали тоа било релевантно и интересно за слушање. Токму затоа вечерва се навраќаме кон психоделичните 60-ти години, со намера да преслушаме еден албум кој воопшто не сме го слушале во Мезанина, ми се чини дека и воопшто не е пуштан на оваа фреквенција. Се работи за Throat Mask реплика албумот на Кептен Бифхарт од 1969 година, кој веќе споменав овие денови беше прогласен за број 1 изминативе 50 години музичка историја. Инаку токму Кептен Бифхарт со својот Magic Band изминатите години и децении секогаш кога се правеле вакви некакви листи за најзначајни албумски остварувања, фигурирал меѓу првите 10, но дефинитивно со Throat Mask реплика од 69-та година, оваа година му беше, односно овој месец му беше дадено признание, иако човекот е почина дека заедно со својот бенд го направи највлијателниот, најзначајниот албум изминативе 50 години. За оние што не знаат, Кептен Бифхарт е Дон Влиет, човекот кој е еден од најголемите музички иноватори воопшто во модерната музичка историја. Човекот има навистина фантастичен глас и она што него музички го интересира е еден широк опсек на фри джез, делта блуз, потоа класична музика и дефинитивно рок-н-рол, каде што со својот бенд дефинитивно престојуваше 20-те години од 60-тите до 80-тите, кога и официјално издаваше музика. Инаку човекот е роден во Глендейл, Калифорнија на 15 јануари 41-та година и неговиот прв допир со музиката е во тинеџерските денови, кога со една исто така маркантна личност Френк Запа оформуваат еден малечок бенд кој го нарекоа Omens, а потоа и Blackouts. За многу подосна некаде во средината на 60-тите години Запа и Кептан Бифхарт, односно Дон влијат малку посериозно да влезат во музиката, оформувајќи ги Mothers of Invention, кои исто така оставија значаен белег во модерната музичка историја. Но ние вечерва збориме за Magic Band на Кептан Бифхарт и она што тие го направија 69-та година се работи за легендарниот Truth Mask реплика албум, всушност нивни трети албум во дискографијата. Меѓутоа, за да дојдат до овој трет албум има интересна приказна, бидејќи Кептан Бифхарт заедно со своите пријатели првите два албуми дефинитивно ги снимаат под контрола на музичката индустрија, кои сакаат да звучат онака како што во моментот звучат бендовите во средината на 60-тите години, и тоа го тера Кептан Бифхарт да се откаже воопшто од правење музика. Меѓутоа, кога 68-та година неговиот пријател Френк Запа ја оформува својата издавачка куќа Straight Records, му вели на Кептан Бифхарт дефинитивно да дојде во неговото студио и да направи она што го има во моментов. А овој лудак земал и за 9 часа напишал дури 28 песни, им се јавил на своите пријатели и го снимиле албумот за неполни 2 дена. Токму затоа сето ова представува едно парче, големо парче од легендите на рок-н-ролот и на музичката историја воопшто, и токму можеби затоа овој месец музичките критичари од целиот свет, барем поголемиот дел од нив, кој дадоа гласот за Truth Mask реплика како највлијателен албум воопшто изминативе 50 години музичка историја. Инаку, да ја довршам приказната за Кептан Бифхарт, човекот во 70-тите години издава еден дури поп албум, издава еден блуз албум, и сето она што музички го интересира, го завршува 82-та година со неговото последно остварување насловено Ice Cream for Crow, со кое дефинитивно објавува крај на неговата музичка кариера, бидејќи човекот се повлекува во пустина, живее малку пустински живот и се посветува пред се на сликањето. За 85-та година, после 3 години пауза, да излезе во јавноста со една голема изложба на своите слики, кои, богами, за тоа време се продава и по скапи цени, по $25,000, да речеме. За во 90-тите години Ван Влиет или Кептан Бифхарт да го напушти овој свет поради сериозната болест од која боледуваше, така што 99-та година Френк Запа и неговите пријатели од издавачката куќа да издадат еден бокс сет, односно двоен диск насловен антологија The Dust Blows Forward, со кој на некој начин му дадоа почит на сето она што Кептан Бифхарт го правеше 20 години од средината на 60-тите до средината на 80-тите години од овој век. Океј, ајде одиме со легендарниот албум за последното издание на Мезанин за вечерва. Се работи, како што кажав, за Truth Mask реплика од 69-та година, Кептан Бифхарт и неговиот Magic Band. Одиме, се работи за двоен албум, одиме со дел од него, а повторно ќе се навратиме малку подосна во студиото за да кажеме кој се учествуваше на овој албум. Значи, за последното издание 175-то на Мезанин вкупно за оваа година го слушаме Truth Mask реплика од 69-та на Кептан Бифхарт и другарите, како едно фино носталгично навраќање на психоделичните 60-ти години од минатиот век. Ајде.
White ants running, black ants crawling, yellow ants screaming, brown ants longing. All those people longing to be free. Hoodoo, Batman B. Hoodoo, Batman B. All the ants in God's garden, they can't get along. War still running on. That one lump of sugar that they won't leave each other alone. Why do you have to do this? You got to let us free. Why do you have to do this? You got to set us free. Why do you have to do this? You got to set us free. Why do you have to do this? You got to set us free. And man B, and man B. Takes his honey, he sets the flower free. But in God's garden only, man in the ants, they won't set each other be. on her lashes. She smiled and twisted, she smiled and twisted, hideously looking back at what once was beautiful. Playing naturally, magically. Oh, her ragged hair was shining, red, white, and blue. All in all, the children screaming, "Why, surely, madam, you must be dreaming. You couldn't have done this if you knew what you were doing." Well, the goldfish in the bowl lay upside down, bloating. Full in the sky, and the plains were bleached with white skeletons. Various species grouped together according to their past beliefs. The only way they ever all got together was not in love, but shameful grief. It's not the way I'd like it to get together. That's not the kind of thoughts I'd like to keep. The rain played lightly down, down on the former heap. Old lady, look up in time. Old lady, look out of love. and you should have us all, or you should have us fall.
1, 2, 3. Мезанин. FM. Мезанин.
Dachau blues, those poor Jews. Dachau blues, those poor Jews. Dachau blues, those poor Jews. Still crying about the burning back in World War II's. One mad man, 6 million blues. Down in Dachau blues, down in Dachau blues. The world can't forget that misery, and the young ones now begging the old ones, please, to stop being madmen, for they have to tell their children about the burnings back in World War III. all worn with balls and powder, blood and snow. Walk to rain, death and showers and skeletons dancing and screaming and dying in the ovens, coughing smoke and dying by the dozens down in Dachau. Three little children with doves on their shoulders, their eyes roll back in ecstasy, crying, please, old man, stop this misery. They're counting out the devil with two fingers on their hands, begging the Lord, don't let the third one land on World War III. On World War III.
It attracted a lot of rats, and they closed the doors, and they all get shotguns and rush out these rats. And nothing happened. They couldn't get the rats to move, see? So they got one fella down there, he said, he stammered, and he get excited, he couldn't talk at all, see? They got him down there, and Wall said, I'll get him out of there, and he took the sticks and beat them, started getting them out of there. They started shooting from all directions. And old Wall thought he was going to get killed.
96 FM. Mezanin. Mezanin.
Now here she come walking, looking like a zoo. Hi Ella Guru. She know all the colors that nature do. Hi Ella Guru. High yellow, high red, high blue, she blew. High yellow, Guru. She do what she mean and she do what she do. Got something for me, got something for you. She shows something.
Right, just dig it.
That's right, the mascara snake, fast and bulbous, tight also. Whoa!
1, 2, 3. Mezanin.
Now we won't have to worry about Rocket Morton with any of those girls.
Rocket Morton takes off again into the wind.
What do you run on, Rocket Morton? Say beans.
I run on beans. I run on laser beams.
When I get lonesome, the wind begin to moan. When I trip, fall in ditch, somebody wanna throw the dirt right down. When I feel like dying, the sun come out, stole my fear and gone. Who's afraid of the spirit with the blues for bones? Who's afraid of the falling ditch? Falling ditch ain't gonna get my bones. How's that full of spirit? How's that full of things? It ain't my fault the thing's gone wrong. When I'm smiling, my face wrinkles up real warm. When I'm frowning, they've just turned to stone. Falling ditch ain't gonna get my bones. When I get lonesome, the wind begin to moan. Falling ditch ain't gonna get my bones.
Mezanin, mezanin, mezanin.
My smile is stuck. I cannot go back to your frown land. My spirit's made up of the ocean and the sky and the sun and the moon and all I can see. I cannot go back to your land of gloom, where black jagged shadows remind me of the coming of your doom. I want my own land. Take my hand and come with me. It's not too late for you if it's not too late for me to find my homeland. Where man can stand by another man without an ego flying, with no man lying, and no one dying by an earthly hand. Let the devil burn, and the beggar learn, and the little girls that live in those old worlds take my kind hand. My smile is stuck. I cannot go back to your frown land. I cannot go back to your frown land.
1, 2, 3. Mezanin. 96 FM. Mezanin.
Where did you move her from?
Just from here.
Reseda?
Here.
She's nice. What do you think?
Sounds good.
It's a Bush recording. We're out recording the Bush. The name of the composition is Neon Meat Dream of an Octofish. No, it's Hair Pie.
Макни го звукот. Мезанин.
Некаде сме на половината од вечерашното 175-то или последно издание за оваа година на меѓупросторот на Радио Равел со име Мезанин. Слушнавме дел од легендарниот Throat Mask реплика албум на Кефтон Бифхарт и неговиот Magic Band од 69 година. Еден од највлијателните или можеби највлијателниот албум во изминатите 50 години во музиката. Инаку Кептон Бифхарт, кажавме веројатно дел од неговиот живот во претходниот влез во овој албум. Јас уште само да споменам дека на овој албум, освен Кептон Бифхарт или Доналд Ван Влиет, кој фигурира како изведувач на бас, кларинет, хармоника, на саксофон и како пишувач нормално на текстовите и вокал на овој албум. Уште тука си неговите пријатели кои се подпишуваат што со нивниот надимак, односно никнейм, но ние ќе ги кажеме и во оригинал. Значи, на овој албум, освен Кептон Бифхарт, односно Доналд Ван Влиет, учествуваат и Драмбо или во оригинал Джон Френч на тапани, потоа Даглас Мун на гитара, веројатно единствениот човек кој нема свој никнейм. Тука е и Маскара Снейк, односно Виктор Хейден, бас, кларинет и вокали, Зуд Хорн Роло или Бил Хекл Роуд на флаута и на гитара, Антони Джими Сименс или Джеф Котон на гитара, вокал и ветер, интересен инструмент, Винс, и Марк Бостон, односно Рокет Мортон на бас. Како што кажав, овој албум е снимен во студиото на Френк Запа 69-та година, издаден истата година, а на него учествува и гостите Јан Андервуд на алт саксофон, потоа Дон Престон на пијано, Рој Естрада на бас, Арти Трип на тапани и нормално големиот пријател на Кептон Бифхарт, Френк Запа како вокал. Значи, тоа би било тоа од представувањето на Throat Mask реплика. Музиката говори сама за себе, барем со Петар, додека ги слушавме претходните, односно првите 10 теми од овој албум, најдовме многу, како се вика тоа, референци на модерните музичари кои на некој начин се инспирирале од Кептон Бифхарт, па така додека ги слушавме песните, викавме еве го Том Вейтс, еве го Birthday Party, еве ги Крас, така што веројатно има многу музичари и имиња кои се инспирирале токму од Throat Mask реплика на Кептон Бифхарт. Токму затоа вечерва го преслушуваме овој албум во целост, се до некаде пар минути пред 12 часот. Одиме со овој легендарен албум на Кептон Бифхарт и неговиот Magic Band од 69-та година. Уживајте, продолжуваме.
Starwood claw landing my jaw. I can't call it music, it's just something suited. Feather time to feather, morning time to thaw. Hobo chamber, hobo chamber. Standing still is losing, feather time to feather, morning time to thaw. Starwood claw landing my jaw. Hobo chamber, hobo chamber, hobo chamber, oh. Hobo chamber. Oh. Stand against my ground, lay the rest of the law. The ocean is my mother, great chain is my paw. Hobo chamber, hobo chamber, oh. Hobo chamber. The rails I ride are rusted, the new sunrise I'm trusting. The rails I ride on rusting. The new sunrise I'm trusting. Starboard claw, rattling my jaw. Hobo chamber, hobo chamber, hobo.
Affected everybody, even Mrs. Wooden Wellers, little Nitty, even Lifeboy floating with his little pistol showing and his little pistol toting. Well, that goes to show you what a moon can do. No more bridge from Tuesday to Friday. Everybody's gone. High society. Hope lost his head and got off on alligators. Somebody's leaving peanuts on the cabins for a white elephant. Escape from zoo with love. Goes to show what a moon can do. Moonlight on the mind. Well, it did it for Lifeboy, and it did it to you, and it did it to Zoo, and it can do it for me, and it can do it for you. Moonlight on Vermont. Give me that old-time religion. Give me that old-time religion. Don't give me no affliction. That old-time religion, it's good enough for me. Ah, it's good enough for you. Well, come out to Showdom. 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 Get that old time religion. Give me that old time religion. Give me that old time religion. It's good enough for me. Without your new affliction, don't need your new restriction. Give me that old time religion. It's good enough for me. Moonlight on Vermont.
מזנין, מזנין, מזנין.
I saw you, baby, dancing in your X-ray gingham dress. I knew you were under duress. I knew you under your dress. Just keep coming, Jesus, you're the best dressed. You look dandy in the sky, but you don't scare me, 'cause I got you here in my eye. In this lifetime, You got my human gets me blues. With your jaw hanging slack and your hair's curling like an old Navy fork sticking in the sunset. The way you were dancing, I knew you'd never come back. You were straighter to keep your old black crack patent shoes. In this lifetime, you got my human gets me blues. Well, the way you've been, old lady, I could see the fear in your windows. Under your furry crawling brow, a silver bow rings up in inches. You were afraid you'd be the devil's red wife. But it's all right, God dug your dance and would have you young and in his harem. Dress you the way he wants, 'cause he never had a doll. 'Cause everybody made him a boy. And God didn't think to ask his preference. You can bring your dress in your favorite dog, in your husband's cane, in your old spotted hog. 'Cause in this lifetime, you've got my human gets me blues. Lucid tentacles test in sleeve, in join, in jointed jade pointed diamondback patterns. Neon meat dream of a octofish. Artifact on rose petals, in flesh petals in pots. Fact in feast, in tubes, tubs, bulbs, in jest, incest, in jest, in just, in feast, incest. In specks, in speckled, speculation. Bedlocks waddling feast. Arcade faces frenzy. Ceramic fists, artificial decease. In cysts, rancid buds burst. Dank drum and dung dust. Meat rose in hairs, meaty. Meat rose in hairs, meaty. Dream, wet meat. Limp, damp rose. Peeled in felt. Fields in belts. Impaled on in daemon. Mucus mules. Twat, trot, tra-la, 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 tra-la. Whalebone fields in belts. Whalebone farmhouse. Cavorts girdled in ladders alight. Cavorts girdled in ladders alight. Adipped amidst squirming serum in semen in syrup in semen in serum. Stirrup in syrup. Neon meat dream of a octofish. Happy was the khaki sweatband, bowed goat pot-bellied barnyard that only he noticed. The old fart was smart. The old gold cloth Madonna. Dancing to the fiddle and saw, he ran down behind the knoll and slipped on his wooden fish head. The mouth worked and snapped all the bees back to the bungalow. Mama was flattening lard with her red enameled rolling pin when the fish head broke the window, rubber eye erect and precisely detailed.
air holes from which breath should come, is now closely fit, with the chatter of the old fart inside. An assortment of observations took place. Mama licked her lips like a cat, pecked the ground like a rooster, pivoted like a duck, her stockings down caught dust and dough balls, she cracked her mouth, glazed, caught one eyelash, rubbed her hands on her gorgeous gingham, her hands grasped sticky metal, intricate latchwork, opened to the room. Smell cold mixed with bologna, rubber bands, crumpled wax paper bonnets, fat goose legs, and special jellies, ignited by the warmth of the room. The old fart smelled this through his important breather holes. Cleverly he dialed from within. From the outside we observed that the nose of the wooden mask, where the holes had just been a moment ago, was now smooth, amazingly blended, camouflaged in with the very intricate rainbow trout replica. The old fart inside was now breathing freely from his perfume bottle atomizer air bulb invention.
His excited eyes from within the dark interior glazed, watered in appreciation of his thoughtful preparation.
Oh man, it's so heavy.
A thick cloud caught a piper cub's tail, a match struck blue on a railroad rail. The old puff horse was just pulling through, and a man wore a peg leg forever. I'm on the bum where the hobos run, their breaks with filthy chatter. Oh, I don't care, there's no place there, I don't think it matters. My skin's blazing through and my clothes in tatters, and the railroad looked like a Y up the hill of ladders. One shoe fell on the gravel, one stick poked down. Gray of age fell down on a pair of ears. An eagle shined through my whole watch pocket. A gingham girl, baby girl, passed me by in tears. A jackrabbit raised his folded ears. A beautiful sagebrush jackrabbit. And an oriole sang like an orange, his breast full of worms, and his tail clawed the evening like a hammer. His wings took air like a bomber, and my rain can caught me a cup of water. When I got into town, odd jobs, ma'am, your horse all fodder. I'm the roundhouse man, I once was your father. A little up the road, a wooden candy-striped barber pole, and above it read a sign, Painless Parker. Licorice twisted around under a fly, and a youngster cocked her eye. God before me, if I'm not crazy, is my daughter. Come, little one, with your little dimpled fingers, give me one, and I'll buy you a cherry phosphate. Take you down to the foaming brine and water, and show you the wooden tits on the goddess with the pole out, full sail, that tempted away your peg-legged father. I was shanghaied by a high-hat beaver mustache man and his pirate friend. I woke up in vomit and beer in a banana bin, in a soft lass with brown skin, bore me 7 babies with snapping black eyes and beautiful ebony skin. And here it is, I'm with you, my daughter, 30 years. Away can make a seaman's eyes, a roundhouse man's eyes, flow out water, salt water.
96 FM Мезанин.
Fast and bulbous.
Fast and bulbous.
That's it.
Okay, do it again.
I love those words.
Fast and bulbous.
That's right, the mascara snake. Fast and bulbous.
Bulbous also tapered.
Yeah, but you've got to wait until I say. Also, a tin teardrop.
Oh, Christ.
Again, beginning.
Fast and bulbous.
That's right, the mascara snake. Fast and bulbous. Also, a tin teardrop.
Bulbous also tapered.
That's right.
Peanut, her little head clinking like a barrel of red velvet balls, full pass noise. Treats filled her eyes, turning them yellow like enamel-coated tacks. Soft like butter, hard not to pour. Out enjoying the sun while sitting on a turned-on waffle iron. Smoke billowing up from between her legs made me vomit beautifully and crush a chandelier. Fall on my stomach and view her from 1,000 different facets. Liquid red salt ran over crystals. I later band-aided the area, sighed. Oh well, it was worth it. Peanut, pleased but sore from sitting, chose to stub her toe and view the white bulbs horribly large in the red pockets. I'm tired of playing baby, she exclaimed, and out of a blue felt box let escape one yellow butterfly the same size. Its droppings were tiny green phosphorus worms that moved in tuck and rolls and quacked and whispered in their confinement. 3 little bird scotch-tape windows several yards away, mouths open to tongues that vibrated and lost saliva. Bean exclaimed, "That's raspberries!"
A squid eating dough in a polyethylene bag is fast and bulbous. Got me?
When she wears her bolero, then she begins to dance. All the pachucos start with holding hands. When she drives her Chevy, sissies don't dare to glance. Yellow jackets and red devils buzzing round her hair hive hole. She wears her past like a present, takes her fancy in the past. A sedan skims along the floorboard, her 2 pipes humming carbon cob. Got her wheel out of a B-29 bomber, Brody knob amber, Spanish fringe and talcum tassels, forever amber. She looks like an old squaw Indian. She 99, she won't go down. Avocado green, alfalfa yellow adorn her to the ground. Tattoos and tarnished utensils, a snow white bag full of tunes. Drives a cartoon around. Broma sells a blue umbrella, keeps her up off the ground. Round red sombreros wrap her high-top horse's shoes. When she unfolds her umbrella, Pachuco's got the blues. Her lovin' make me so happy. If I smile, I crack my chin. Her eyes are so peaceful, thinks it's heaven she been. Her skin is as smooth as the daisies in the center where the sun shines in. Smiles as sweet as honey. Her teeth as clean as the combs where the bees go in. When she walks, flowers surround her. Let their nectar come into the air around her. Her love sticks out like stars. Her loving stick out like stars.
מזנין, מזנין, מזנין.
The black paper between a mirror breaks my heart. The moon frayed through dark velvet lightly apart. Steal softly through sunshine, steal softly through snow. The wild goose flies from winter, breaks my heart that I can't go. Energy flies through a field, and the sun softly melts a nothing wheel. Steal softly through sunshine, steal softly through snow. The black paper between them never breaks my heart that I can't go. Swan, their feathers don't grow, they're spun. They live 200 years of love, they're one. Breaks my heart to see them cross the sun. Rainbows up Straw Hill. Breaks my heart to see the highway cross the hill. Man lived 1,000,000 years and still he kills. The black paper between a mirror breaks my heart that I can't go. Steal softly through sunshine, steal softly through snow.
96 FM. Mezzanine.
Here you would have a famous version of She's Too Much for My Mirror. Note the clever slate. She's too much for my or anybody's mirror, number 2. Told you.
She's too much for my mirror. She almost makes me lose it. The way she abuse it make me never want to use it. bend your heart and mind your soul. Oh, Chicago, she's a woman that make a young man a bum. She howl like the wind, make my heart grow cold. Make me long for that little red farm. She make things fly, she make things roll. She got me way over here and I'm hungry and cold. I remember my mother told me I ought to be choosy. That was way back when. I thought you was my friend. Now I find out she's a floozy. I remember the butterflies and the sweet smell of corn in the bubbling fish in that little pond. Oh, Lucy, how long for you? How long for you? She's too much for my mirror. That little floozy, oh, how I feel her. Oh, Lucy. Shit, I don't know how I'm gonna get that in there.
Sweet, 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 sweet rose grow in my latest garden. Wow, 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 sun fingers wave in my latest garden. Flowers dance, their faces brave. Come talk freely in the garden of my lady. The harmony smile, the harmony snatch. Only a crow would peck and a chicken would scratch. Her lips turned up to kiss. I see you, Phoebe, baby, in your bonnet, with the sunset written on it. In the shadow of a tree, curled around your knee in color. And just behind you was a sea of negativity, tinkling like mercury in the wind. Kept by the ground, her toes bare brown. Her carriage she'd abandoned like a hand-me-down. She walked back into nature, a queen uncrowned. She had just recognized herself to be an heir to the throne. Her garden gate swings lightly without weight, open to most anyone that needs a little freedom, for God's sake. Oh, come, as many as you can. In dark or light, you're free to grow as flowers. Share her throne and use her toothbrush and spend some interesting hours.
You ready? Okay, go.
Master, this is recorded through a fly's ear, and you have to have a fly's eye to see it. That's gonna make Captain Beefheart and his magic band fat. Frank, it's the big hit. It's the blimp. Frank, it's the blimp. When I see you floating down the gutter, I'll give you a bottle of wine. Put me on the white hook back in the fat rack, Shadracky Shack. The something hoop, the blimp, the crazy hoops, their tail, tits, the blimp. The mothership. The brothers head under their hood. From the blimp. Children, stop your nursing unless you're rendering fun. The mothership's the one. The blimp. The tape's a trip. It's a trailer tail. It's traipsing along behind the blimp. The nose has a cramp. The nose is for blimp. The blimp. It blows the air. The snoot is a bear. Look up in the sky. There's a tangible land. It's lazy hopes were. You can see them just as they were. All the people hands. It was her hands over the blimp. The blimp. Daughter, don't you dare. Oh, Mama, who cares? It's the blimp. It's the blimp.
Hello. Sure did. It's beautiful. I think that we have enough on tape. Just use that as is for the album. Okay, I'm gonna listen to it back now. I gotta go back to work.
Mezzanine, mezzanine, mezzanine.
In sugar, in spikes, in neon nights, in walks, in lights, and chains. Carving smoke, hooping hope, gone the sky rush by. Fall bark and dark, fall back and dark. Eyes steam stale, shoes move, booming pale. Hello, dime store sale. Sugar and spikes and everything nice, everything nice and crazy. That's what little worlds are. Lady, oh, lady. I'm paid up, built home in my new Friday's house. There's no H on my faucet, there's no bed for my mouse. I punch and grow mine was in Diamondback time. Now it's king for a day with my lady, look fine. Got my beacon up hat in my caramel mess. Trimmy low car, got my spot-ill wrist around my honey. Going to see the navy blue vicar. Oh, Peter and Mrs. Ray Flicker.
There's old Gray with her dove-wing hat. There's old Green with her sewing machine. Where's the bobbin at? She's toting old Grain in a printed sack. The dust blows forward and the dust blows back. And the wind blows black through the sky. And the smokestack blows up in the sun's eye. When am I gonna die? A white flake riverboat just blew by. Bubbles pop big. And a lipstick Kleenex hung on a pointed forked twig. Reminds me of the Bobby girls. Never was my hobby girls. Handful of worms and a pole fishing. Cork bobbing like a hot red bulb. And a blue jay squeaks, his beak open an inch above a creek. Gone fishing for a week. Well, I put down my bush, and I took off my pants and felt free. The breeze blowing up me, and up the canyon, far as I could see. It's night now, and the moon looks like a dandelion. It's black now, and the blackbird's feeding on rice, and his red wings look like diamonds and lice. I can hear the mice toes scampering, gophers rumbling in piled crater rock holes. One red bean stuck in the bottom of a tin bowl. Hot coffee from a crimped up can. Me and my girl named Bimbo. Limbo. Spam.
cry. I can't buy your Veterans Day poppy. It don't get me high, it can only make me cry. It can never grow another son like the one who warmed me my days after rain and warmed my breath. My life's blood streaming empty, she cries. It don't get me high, it can only make me cry. Your Veteran Day poppy.
Light floats down the river on a red raft of blood. Night blocks out the heaven like a big black shiny bug. It's hard, soft, shell shining, white in one spot well. It's hard place that I'm living, but I'm doing well, well. The white ice horse melted like a spot of silver well. Its mane went last, then disappeared the tail. My life ran through my veins, whistling hollow well. I I froze in solid motion, well. I heard the ocean swarming body, well. I heard the beetle clicking, well. I sensed the thickest silent scream. Then I began to dream. My mind cracked like custard, ran red until it sealed, turned to wooden and rolled like a wheel, well. Thick black felled birds are flying with capes of solid chrome, with feathers of solid chrome, in beaks of solid bone, in bleached the air around them, white and cold, well, till it showed in pain. The hollow cane clicked like ever after. Its shadow vanished, shining silence, well.
mezzanine.
Hoy!
Big John comes out, her arms are too small, her head's like a ball. She tied off her horse and galloped off into the moonbeams. She pulled up her blouse and compared her navel to the moon. I did my life for a while.
When Big Joan sets up, her hands are too small. She's too fat to go out in the daylight, so she rolls around all night. I just saw the thread with a drooped body. I'll set up with you, Big Joan. I'm too fat to go out in the daylight. I'll stay up all night. I won't droop if you won't talk about your hands being too small. You know something's happening or you wouldn't have come out like you did. She ain't built for going naked, so she can't wear any new clothes or go to the beach. They laugh at her body cause her hands are too small. When Big Joan sets up, her hands are too small. She's out of reach. A turquoise scarf and silver rolled up over a Merc Montclair. Set up with you, Big Joan. I'm too fat to go out in the daytime. I'll stay up all night. You promise not to talk about your hands being too small. Hoy! Is you, boy?
96 FM. Мезанин.
Wildlife, along with my wife. I'm going up on the mountain for the rest of my life. Before they take my life, before they take my wildlife, before they take my wife. We got my mother and father. It ran down all my kin. Folks, I know I'm next. Wildlife, along with my wife. I'm going up on the mountain for the rest of my life. Before they take my wildlife, before they take my wife. Before they take my wife. Wildlife. 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 I'm going up on the mountain along with my wife. Find me a cave and talk them bears into taking me in. Wildlife. Along with my wife. Wildlife. It's a man's best friend. Wildlife, along with my wife. I'm going up on the mountain for the rest of my life. Before they take my life, before they take my wildlife, before they take my wife, before they take my wife. Wildlife, wildlife, wildlife. 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 I'm going up on the mountain, find me a cave and talk to bears to take me in. Wildlife is a man's best friend. Wildlife. Wildlife.
Мезанин. Меѓупростор на Радио Равел. Музичка емисија. Мезанин. 96 FM. Мезанин. Мезанин. Мезанин.
No Britannia Hotel.